This is just a brief reminder of why we don't want to wind up in the water down here. There's plenty of animal action, but this crocodile is definitely the one thing that's going to keep us out of the water over here at Point Marina. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down at the ramp, and today we're at Black Point. And this crew's approaching the dock. The wind and current's been fierce today. Everybody's struggling with it. But, oh no, he does take a dive. This is not the place you want to be in the water. My man needs to get out with the quickness. We've already seen the Black Point crocodile rolling around today, and this is not the place you want this to happen. Our crew looks like they're trying to get him out, but he got caught up in the lines and just took a dive. And the crew's pulling the boat in on this, but you've got to get him out of the way first. So this is not a good idea. You don't want to be a person in the water in between a boat and a dock. That's how you get injured pretty fast. So our guy's getting to the stern of the vessel and is going to climb his way out of this one, but that was a close call. Once again, as we saw in the beginning of this video, this is not the place you want to be in the water at. There's definitely things in the water you don't want to do battle with. But our guy, he looks like he's uninjured. He's going to get up on the dock, and this crew will get this one tied up and put away. And our crew here, it's been a weird day. But look at them as they pull the motor out here. It's been a mess down here today. The heavy rains have just brought all kinds of garbage down here to the dock, and we've got all kinds of seagrass and everything, and people are battling a lot of different elements down here at Black Point today, and that current is just ripping today as well. And here comes our crew approaching the dock, and here you're going to see, because they're going to try and approach against the wind and current. And you can see what kind of a steep angle they're having to come in at. I mean, everybody we've seen try and do this today has missed. Now, when I say missed, most of them have missed bad. We've had to watch people do this 4 and 5 times just to get onto a dock. So our guy's at least got this. No! Our guy goes down. At least he didn't go in the water, but man, he stumbled off. The crew's going to get it on the first attempt, though, and this is one of the few crews we've seen do this today. I mean, everybody who's tried to fight this wind and current, literally, it's been a battle. But our guy goes down, and he's still kind of down. Hopefully he gets up. We don't want to see anybody hurt, so hopefully he can get up here shortly and everything will be all right. There we go. He's going to get up to his feet. Man, that was a pretty good spill, but once again, at least he landed on the dock. I mean, sure, the water would have been a softer landing, but that's, as we mentioned earlier, this is not where you want to be here. So they're going to try and get this one. Wait a minute, what? Somebody else just fell in. Oh, man, we've got somebody else. We've got another swimmer. He reached down on the dock to grab something and fell into the water. I don't know what people are thinking today. This is not the place to be in the water, but our crews, man, this is the second swimmer at Black Point for the day, and almost had the third. But our guy at least fell on the dock over there. But you can see how strong the current's pulling. My man's trying to swim back to the dock and is absolutely struggling to get back over there. Probably wouldn't have tried swimming against the current here. I probably would have swum straight into the ramp about as fast as I could have done so. But here he's going to get back over to the dock, but it's probably still going to be a struggle to even try and get up here. Kind of being shot blocked by the robalo here. They're going to move out of our way, and our guy's trying to climb up this thing, but I mean, it's going to be slick and slippery. There's no way he's probably getting up. Somebody's going to have to either go over and give him a hand, or he's going to need to swim up the ramp, or swim back to the boat and climb up the stern of the boat. Everybody's so calm about this, though, man. I would be scrambling to get out of this water. And he starts heading back toward the stern, but somebody's going to come over here and give him a hand, it looks like. And he's going to get the hand he needs, and we should be able to get this one out of the water. But, man, this is crazy to see 2 swimmers and almost nearly another swimmer down here at Black Point. And our guy, like I said, he wasn't even getting off the boat. He was just standing on the dock. He reached down to grab some stuff and just slipped and fell in. And, I mean, that's just a wild scene down here today. At least he's in good spirits, just throws his hands up about it. At least nobody's been injured yet today on any of these things, which is that's the biggest positive we can pull from this. And this crew's been trying to get the boat up here, but they're struggling with the strap for some reason. I'm not sure exactly what's going on over there, but they've not been able to get it quite pulled up onto the trailer. And we've got one guy cranking, and the other 3 guys are kind of rooting him on as he does it, but it's been a struggle. They can't just seem to get this boat right onto the trailer right. Oh no, the strap broke. Oh, that's going to make for a difficult situation trying to get this boat back onto the trailer. I've had this happen before, and man, that stinks when you're trying to winch that up and that strap breaks. And man, this is a big boat to be down here at Black Point, and it looks like they're going to try and pull up to a dock to actually pull this thing out too. Sometimes we'll see some bigger vessels come by down here at Black Point, but they'll continue on because there's a marina down here at the end of this channel. But this crew's going to come in on the dock, and they're going to make a risky move. They're going to try and battle this wind and current like we've seen everybody else do today. And man, it has been a losing battle for most boats. I mean, we've got videos today of boats taking 7 and 8 minutes just to get on a dock and missing 4 and 5 times just because the wind and current's just pushing that hard. So he's going to come into the inside dock here, and this is probably, for a vessel of this size, not a good move because he's picking the narrowest dock as well, where the stern of this vessel is likely going to be pushed into the dock behind them. And you can tell he's already struggling, so he's going to try reversing in on the dock here. And we're going to kind of miss. There's nobody on the stern of the vessel to get off. Now he's going to try and come in, bow in. He's going to have to come in hard bow in for this to work, but he's going to need somebody willing to get off the vessel and jump off and pull this thing on for it to work. They're sliding backwards, though. No. There's boats and other docks back here. Oh, watch it. It's going to be close. They're going to get the push off and a little assist here. Somebody's going to help them off. But they've kind of got themselves into a little bit of trouble here. Fortunately, this guy on the dock's helping them out, but they're just going to need a big push off to get off this boat and this dock. But man, I mean, this is a big vessel to be trying to do this today down here. But fortunately, they got this guy. He's jumped on this pontoon. He's going to give him a good kickoff, and that should be enough to get them back off this dock and back out of here. But man, they're going to struggle trying to get this thing put away today. And here they go. They're backing out. They'll be back on their way to try and figure this one out. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Boats vs. Haulover channel, where boats take on Haulover Inlet in a 5-round competition to see who will be victorious. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.